Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Before, let me introduce myself. My name is Syifa Sophia from Sunan Gunung Jati State Islamic University. Today, I will present my research and the title, The Role of the Cooperative Script Method in Developing Self-Confidence and Public Speaking among Madrasah Ibtidaiyah students. Before beginning my session, I would like to say thank you very much for joining my session and enjoy my session. Okay, first one, I would like to explain about the background. Next. The background of the issue. Let me explain the background of this study. Public speaking, as we know, public speaking is important skills for students because public speaking help them to communication each other. So help them to express their ideas. However, many students still struggle with the low confidence. Because of that, I use this research for explaining or for exploring how we can improve our self-confidence and public speaking skills in madrasah, especially in Madrasah Ibtidaiyah students. So, the research problem or this gap, another issue is that only a few students have explored how speaking skill develop, especially in the Indonesian Madrasah Ibtidaiyah context. Because of that, I focus on the cooperative script method or CSM to examine whether it can improve students' confidence and speaking skills, especially in a school environment. So the purpose of this study is to examine CSM effect of self-confidence students. So to analyze CSM's influence to speaking skills and to test confidence as a mediating factor. Because before we can speak up or we can public speaking, we should to know how confident we are to public speaking front of other. So next, about the research gap. Why I take this research? Because very few studies investigate the cooperative script method, but few of them research about the effect of cooperative script method to public speaking. Them only focus on the material, so on the result, the result of the study, but seldom of them research about the effect of public speaking and confidence in the cooperative script method. Next. So the purpose of this study is to examine the effect of the cooperative script method on students' self-confidence. So to explore its influence on their speaking skills. And to test whether confidence function as a mediating factor between the method and speaking performance or speaking skills. Next. And now we would like to talk about the method. First, about the participant. From my study, I thought the participants were selected using a saturated sampling, and I take 37 from 5th grade in Madrasah Ibtidaiyah Anwar Sarang in Rembang, Central Java. And the research is using the saturated sampling. Next, about the instrument. The data were collected using a questionnaire was used to measure variables. So, in the instrument also, I used the observation sheets were employed to support the findings. So, but the data were collected through questionnaire and observation. So responses were recorded and prepared for analysis. So the procedure is the first descriptive statistics were performed to obtain mean and deviation. So the classical assumption tests were conducted prior to regression. So the last multiple regression and Sobel test were carried out using SPSS 16.0. Next. And now about the result and the findings. As we look from the screen, the cooperative script, social competence, or public speaking are three variables irrelated. First, CSM mean score is 46.34. So the self confidence mean 42.68, and the public speaking mean is 42.95 score. And from this table, we can see the result from the table indicate that the three variables fall into the high score category. Next, about the regression result. As shown in the figure, CSM significantly affect to self-confidence. But CSM doesn't directly or indirect to affect speaking skill for students. And then the regression indicates indirect pathway only. Next. So from the screen, explain about the cooperative script, so self-confidence, so public speaking. And then the three variable from the Sobel test value T 4.637 greater than 1.96, because the confidence is the media for make effect for public speaking performance or public speaking skills. And for that, the self-confidence, the cooperative script method can affect directly to self-confidence, but indirect to public speaking skills. Next. Now the summary of key findings. And then, as shown in the figure, CSM significantly affect to self-confidence, but CSM indirect to affect speaking skill, not significantly. So the self-confidence is mediating for speaking skills or speaking performance for students. Next. And now the discussion. First is interpretation. This finding may suggest CSM build confidence. As we know, CSM make the effect of confidence to student, but indirect to make the effect of speaking performance or speaking skills to students. So the one possible explanation is peer support, because the support and the environment peer student is the reason why the student confidence in the public speaking. So the CSM or the cooperative script method, the effect is reduces anxiety and anxiety during speaking tasks. Because if we have the anxiety, we will difficult to speaking from the other. But because of CSM, that reduces the anxiety, that make the effect of confidence and make the public speaking is easier. So the connection to previous studies. From this research, we can connection to previous studies, class studies. As we know, the Vygotsky as social theory and Baduras as a self-efficacy model that have ever made the research that show CSM lowers communication anxiety. And last about possible result for findings. Why CSM significantly to improve self-confidence? first one, because CSM create a supportive environment learning. In the class, we have to try to front of others, so we public speaking in the front of others. That's the point why the environment of the supportive environment to improve self-confidence. So the second, structured dialogue in CSM reduce anxiety. Because if we have tried how many times, we try anymore, of course the anxiety will reduce with the training. So the last, peer interaction increase confidence. Interaction with each other is to increase confidence student, so increase their confidently front of other for speaking front of other. About implication, the first is practical implication. This study provide insight for teacher using CSM. So this study provide insight for students speaking practice in the class or the environment school. So this study provide insight for school adopting collaboration, the collaboration of study, the collaboration of playing, and the other. So the theoretical contribution, first, the finding contribute to confident mediation theory. So the finding contribute to cooperative learning development. Next, the conclusion. This study concludes that CSM significantly improve the self-confidence, but indirect to improve speaking skills students. But the confidence, self-confidence is the mediating for improving speaking skills student. So the limitation is small sample size and reliance on self-reported measure may introduce bias. So the future research should explore larger than this research. This diverse population and use objective assessment to validate long-term impacts. Next, and I took the reference from the other journal, like from Al-Saleh, so from Amalia, from Azmi again, so from Baina Morales and the other. Next, and maybe that my presentation research. I hope you understand what my presentation, about my presentation. And I would like to say thank you for joining my session and thank you for your nice attention. And I welcome any question. And maybe enough from me. Thank you very much for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.